Hi guys, what's up? Today we are going to learn how to create calculations that use values on other sheets. So if you have a workbook with multiple worksheets like here, and you want to get data from other worksheets, okay, I'm gonna just show you how we can do that. So here we want to calculate the staff number, okay, of these three projects. We have the DIA project, BSM project, and the NFE project, and we want to calculate the data. We want to calculate the number of staff, the sum of the staff of all these projects. So here we are going to go to the total worksheet. Here let's start with the senior staff. We are going to put equal. Then we will go to the first DIA, okay, and we will select the senior staff cell. Then we will put plus. Then we will go to the BSN and we will select senior staff also. Then we'll plus and we will go to the NFE, okay, and we will select the senior staff also, okay. So now don't go to the total, just you can press enter and you're gonna get the total number of the senior staff of the three projects from three different worksheets. We call this 3D formula. Okay, let's try again. Let's get junior staff, the total number of the junior staff. Okay, so here we're gonna put equal. Then we will go to the DIA. We'll select the junior staff cell, then we put plus, we go to the BSM and we will select the junior staff cell, then again plus, and we will go to the NFE, okay, select again the junior staff cell, then enter, and here we go. And this is a total junior staff of the three projects. Okay, finally let's do it for the daily workers. Okay, so equal, and we go to the first sheet and we gonna select the daily workers cell, the number of the daily worker cell, then plus, we go to the BSM. I'm gonna select the daily worker cell again, the number of the daily workers of the BSM, then plus again, finally NFE, and enter. Here we go. So now we got the total number of the staff of the three projects, as you can see. So just let's test that. Here is the senior staff. This is a total number of the senior staff of the three projects. So it's 154. So here in the DIA, we have 31 staff plus the 22 staff in BSN plus the 101 of the senior staff of NFE. So the total is correct. It's 145. Hope you enjoyed. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye, guys.